We'll guide you through how to denoise in DaVinci Resolve, making your audio crisp and clean. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project file. Once your project is open, navigate to the Fairlight page by clicking the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll handle all your audio corrections. Next, in the Fairlight page, locate the audio track that needs denoising. You can do this by playing back the audio and identifying any tracks with noticeable noise. Click on the track to select it, then look to the right side of the interface where you'll find the effects library. Click on the effects library and in the search bar at the top, type Noise Reduction. Here, you'll see the Noise Reduction plugin. Drag and drop this plugin onto the audio track you've selected. Once the plugin is applied, a window will pop up allowing you to adjust the noise reduction settings. You'll want to play the audio and tweak the parameters like threshold, reduction, and smoothing to effectively reduce noise without losing the quality of the voice or main audio. Use the preview button to listen to the adjustments in real time. If needed, you can loop a segment by clicking the loop button so you can hear the adjustments continuously. Once you're satisfied with the results, close the plugin window. Remember, a little noise reduction can go a long way, so avoid overdoing it to maintain the natural sound of your audio. Finally, make sure to save your project to retain all those audio improvements you made. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.